Okay, good morning everybody. Today I want to show you the issue I'm facing in my car. What it is, it's about my DSG gearbox. Oh, not exactly gearbox, because the gearbox is fine. The gear selector. So, if we start the car up, there's the hole. Right, so turn this off, turn this off. Right, so for some reasons I can't select a gear, so my foot is on the brake, trying to engage gear, just not happening. Something that's just the service. So I can't select gear. So what I've noticed is that there is a yellow tab that when you press, I'll try to do that with my hand. Yeah, so when you press, I think I need two hands. Maybe like this. I'm trying to record, and so you press the yellow tab. Oh, that's parking sensors. So you press the yellow tab and you can then select gear. Right? Sure. So I don't really know why I can't select a gear, but what I know is how to override the system. So when you take this little cover off with the gear selector sort of letters, you are able to shift any gears. Yeah, reverse, neutral, drive, sport, manual, whatever, everything works, apart from that when you shift into park. That's it, it just locks. I don't know why, but I'll find out. But why I've recorded this video is to basically show you that if you will be facing any difficulties like that, you can still engage gear and sort of get home, like limp home sort of thing, by basically pressing this yellow tab. Right, you press the yellow tab, obviously foot on the brake, because you can engage gear without foot on the brake, but then this PRNDS thing gonna be flashing, so you won't actually engage gear. The gear selector will be able to shift forwards, backwards, but you won't engage gear, which I can actually show you now. So my foot ain't on the brake. I'll try to put that there. Maybe it will hold. No? Or maybe it will. Come on. Oh, maybe here. Oh my god. This is just ridiculous. Okay, I can't put my phone on there, so I'll show you that basically without pressing the foot brake. What I'll do now is engage the gear without, you see, it's flashing. You can shift into neutral, shift into drive, and it's flashing, but it ain't going nowhere. Normally DSGs are pulling when you release the foot brake, and it won't. So remember to put your foot on the brake, press the yellow tab, and then obviously shift. So yeah, that's just to override the lock. I need to figure out why that happens, and then I'll let you know. Maybe the selector is faulty. Don't know. The first time it happened to me yesterday. So yeah. Alright, thank you for watching. Have a nice afternoon.